Finally, the moment Tesla fans have been eagerly waiting for is here, and it's about to flip everything you ever believed about low-cost electric cars. In a shocking turn, Elon Musk reveals something that both Wall Street and legacy automakers hoped you'd never hear: a 2026 revolutionary EV made not for millionaires, but for everyday people. Remember when Elon said the main goal is making cars affordable and reusing existing production lines? And he also said there are always limitations when using current lines for multiple designs. Well, that once confusing statement now makes perfect sense. He's not just building a new vehicle, he's creating a whole new method to release millions of cars globally faster than anyone can slow him down. But why 2026? Why is Tesla quietly getting ready for the Model 2 to dominate cities, rural areas, and even poorer neighborhoods? In this video, you'll discover Tesla's secret plan behind placing the Model 2 globally, why traditional carmakers are starting to panic, and how this model ties into Tesla's hidden delivery network. Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon to keep up with all of Tesla's groundbreaking updates. First, how will the Tesla Model 2 sync with Elon's new mega pack expansion in Texas between 2025 and 2026? Tesla is finalizing the world's largest mega pack cluster in Angleton, Texas, which will hold a massive 1.2 gigawatt-hours of energy. To help you understand, each single mega pack gives 3.9 megawatt-hours of power, enough to keep 3,600 homes running for an hour. But here's what most people haven't noticed: this giant energy setup is carefully placed to help stabilize electricity costs at Giga, Texas, where the Model 2 will be built. What's coming is cheaper, reliable energy, which means cheaper cars for you. The car-to-grid future is almost here, and it might even earn you money while your car is parked. The Model 2 comes with advanced vehicle-to-grid features and Tesla's upgraded lithium iron phosphate battery setup, designed for everyday charging and discharging without harming battery life. Now let's talk numbers. If just 1 million Model 2 units are plugged in at night and return energy during peak hours, they could give back up to 15 gigawatt-hours per day to the grid. That's 15 times more than the battery setup for the entire state of Nevada. Even better, Tesla's rumored next-gen 4,680 battery cells are the real game-changers. These new batteries could give the Model 2 a 390-mile range and lower costs by 20% compared to today's Model 3 batteries. That means about $5,000 saved per car in production. And your Model 2 won't just be your ride, it could be a personal income source. Right now, most electric vehicle batteries cost $8,000 to $12,000 each. But with Tesla's all-in-one system, that number might drop to $4,000 to $6,000 per vehicle by 2026. That alone could give you $4,000 to $8,000 in savings. Also, a $1 billion investment into the mega factory is expected to reduce energy costs by 15%, slashing Model 2 production costs by another $2,000. Here's how it becomes a moneymaker. Park your Model 2 while you're at work and earn between $12 and $18 daily by offering energy to the grid. Tesla says Model 2 owners can make $200 to $400 monthly from automated energy trading. That's up to $24,000 over 5 years, just from your car doing energy work while you go about your day. Could Texas now become the global center for electric vehicles? This unique combination of mega packs and Model 2 makes Tesla the answer to unstable energy prices worldwide, making EVs possible even in countries with weak power systems. This is no wild guess. The patents, building permits, and billion-dollar investments are all in place. It's Tesla's massive plan coming alive in real time. If your car could earn you $400 a month by sitting still, would you buy it immediately? Comment Model 2 if you would. Now, why is Tesla keeping quiet about making the Model 2 a global electric car in 2025? The real answer shows just how smart this strategy is. Tesla is staying silent while competitors are rushing to announce their own budget EVs. What Tesla's really doing is preparing a surprise move that'll completely shake up the market. A $25,000 to $30,000 price tag for the Model 2 directly targets high-priced rivals like BYD's Seal at $35,000 and VW's ID.3 at $40,000. This alone gives Tesla a major advantage, undercutting rivals by over 30% and unlocking a new group of buyers who couldn't afford EVs before. And the scale is massive. EV usage in Asia, Africa, and South America is below 5% due to high costs. The Model 2 could change all that by increasing Tesla's customer reach by 50%, meaning up to 1.5 billion new people might now afford an electric car. In 2024, about 14 million electric vehicles were sold, but 80% of them went to China and Europe. With the Model 2, Tesla could grab 10% of the projected 20 million EV sales by 2028, that's 2 million units per year. Elon's 2016 master plan promised affordable EVs for all, and now it's finally happening. But there's more. Is Elon banking on full self-driving to make the Model 2 more than just a vehicle? Early models linked to Tesla's self-driving tech might sell at $39,900, turning the Model 2 into an autonomous ride. In 2024, only 12% of Tesla drivers had full self-driving. That's expected to jump to 50% by 2027 with the Model 2's lower price. This is Tesla's warning shot that overpriced EVs won't work forever. The Model 2's mix of low-cost and high-tech features could win back market share and let Tesla enter areas that carmakers previously ignored. Think back to the Model 3 chaos in 2018, when critics said it would ruin Tesla. Instead, they delivered 365,000 vehicles and proved everyone wrong. The Model 2 could do the same but bigger, focusing on underserved countries while Chinese automakers stick to local markets. Tesla's using affordability and autonomy as global weapons, and the auto industry may never be the same again. Do you think this car could truly change the lives of billions? Comment finally here if you believe Tesla is about to make history. But this isn't the end. The next part will show you something even more shocking. Tesla doesn't just want to sell cars. They want to change transportation forever. Don't blink. What happens when cars become smart, connected, and even free? Tesla is ready to break the mold of traditional car ownership. The Model 2, priced between $11,000 and $14,000, is around 45% cheaper than models like the Toyota Yaris or Hyundai i10. With payments as low as $85 per month in the US after EV credits, even lower-income households can afford a Tesla. It's the first time in history that a car this advanced is truly for everyone. Electric cars will now be within reach of 70% of buyers worldwide, compared to just 30% when the Model 3 launched at $40,000. Even public transport could become unnecessary. Why pay $130 to $170 monthly for trains and buses in cities like London or LA when your Model 2 can offer cheaper, more personal mobility? Environmentally, the impact is huge. 2 million Model 2 cars by 2028 could remove 15 million tons of CO2 from the air. And because each Model 2 might replace over 3 gasoline cars thanks to autonomous use, the effect multiplies fast. Cities will change too, with 60% fewer parking spaces needed, since cars won't just sit idle anymore. Families could earn over $20,000 a year by letting their car operate in Tesla's self-driving network. That's money coming in with no extra work. Other automakers like GM and Hyundai just can't compete. Their EVs are still expensive and lack Tesla's self-driving ability or cost control. Tesla's all-in-one approach to building cars, making batteries, and running charging stations gives them an edge that no one else can match. Which city should get the Model 2 first? Comment with your city name below. Now, how is Tesla planning to spread the Model 2 across the planet? The plan is massive and already underway. Tesla currently makes about 2.35 million cars yearly. But demand for the Model 2 could go up to 6 million a year by 2027. That means Tesla needs to triple its production, and they're already doing it. For huge factories will act as Tesla's global car army. The Texas factory is set to produce 1.2 million Model 2s a year by 2026. Berlin's factory will make another 800,000, Shanghai will build 1.5 million, including exports, and Mexico's new plant will add 1 million more by 2027. That's 4.5 million Model 2s a year, a scale never seen before in car history. And they're changing how cars get to you. Tesla skips dealerships, saving you $3,000 to $5,000 in hidden costs. They're growing their mobile service team to 50,000 people by 2026 to fix cars at your home. Their charging stations will grow from 50,000 to 150,000 around the world to support this EV boom. And how do you pay for the car? Tesla's plan includes letting your Model 2 pay for itself. You can earn enough from self-driving services to cover the monthly cost. You can even trade in your old, broken vehicle to make buying easier. Tesla's rollout has 3 phases. In 2026, 2 million cars go to North America and Western Europe. In 2027, another 2.5 million go to Asia-Pacific and Eastern Europe. By 2028, 1.5 million head to Latin America and Africa, places other automakers have ignored. Tesla's in-house control over 78% of parts compared to the 23% industry average helps reduce costs. Local sourcing and robot-powered assembly also lower production costs per vehicle by $1,200 and labor by 60%. Elon Musk's plan from 2016 is no longer a dream, it's happening now. While rivals try to sell $30,000 to $40,000 EVs with few features, Tesla is preparing to take over the world with affordable, smart, and even profitable vehicles. Do you believe the Model 2 is about to change everything? Comment, game-changing, if you're ready for what's coming. If this video opened your eyes to the future of transport, hit that subscribe button and join the AMP drive. Turn on the bell icon, because Tesla's biggest surprises come when you least expect them, and you won't want to be the last to know. See you in the next video from AMP Drive.